What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, thanks for coming and checking in. If you've seen my old videos, then welcome back. Today I'm really excited because I've got something I've been waiting for a long time. It is pretty small, but believe me, if you have an SR5 or a manual Tacoma, you know what I'm talking about. And that is the standard H key. And you can see I have a 3D printed AJT design case on it already, but if you put these things in your pocket, it just pokes you nonstop. And so a while back, I'm sure most of you guys know MESO Customs. He kind of teased his whole FlipFob that he was designing for this key. And well, finally, as of like last week, he released it. Mad props to this dude. He put a ton of design and engineering into it, and he really wanted to release something that was perfected, and that's what he did. So today I have this. It's for the Tacoma Tundra, but if you do have a 4Runner, it also works for that. You just gotta get a different one from his website. So let's unbox it. Alright guys, this is it. This is what it comes in. I really think he excels in his packaging. As you can see, you got his own little diagram on the back. It looks really sick. And this is how all of his products come. Like, if you haven't ordered from MESO, go check him out. He's got so many cool and unique products. I've got a ton of them on my truck. But yeah, so getting right into it, if we open this up, we see three things really. We got the front and the back, and then everything you'll need is in here. So if we slide this open, we got the main part, the key, the flip out part. It is loaded, so like it says, do not pull until it is fully assembled. It is a blank key, so you do have to go get this cut. You can go really to any local locksmith. You can go to Ace, Walmart should be able to do it, and you can get the cut to match your old key. So, but make sure you do this after you put it in, because you really don't want to pull that, or else you're kind of screwed. So there's that. Gives you some Allen wrenches. And then the bottoms to the key. So this one's a bottle opener. And then this one's just a normal. And then you got your screws. I'm gonna leave these in here just for now. You got your screws. You have the optional kind of filler pieces that go in the top of the key, so you can have either blank or TRD. And then in here you have your buttons. So yeah. Then we move on. We have the back of the key. You can see MESO's logo there. And if we flip it over, we see all the spots to put the internals in, as well as where you put your key. And then the front, there's where you put your screws. But yeah, this stuff is really like high quality. It's not cheap plastic. He goes way above and beyond, I'll tell you that. So now's the part where you have to disassemble your old key. If you have the stock key, it's going to be a little different. I have mine in an AJT design case. So I can tell you, when I transitioned from the stock key to this one, you did have to cut up the key. You had to get the internals out, and then you just plop them in here. But now that I already have them out, I'm basically just going to be disassembling this and putting the internals into the new one. And we're actually, since we're switching to the flip out, we're ditching this part altogether. So yeah, I'm just going to start doing that. Okay, so this is the part you want. This is the internal computer of the key, and this snugly fits into the bottom piece. So it's in there nice and good. The next part, which is this little guy right here. So if you're on a stock key, you're gonna have to cut this piece out. So just take your time, take like a little box knife or something sharp and just kind of whittle away at it. And then once you have it out, there will be probably some glue left on it, which you can just shave off. But again, since I have this different aftermarket key, mine was already cut, so I'm just gonna take this and put it into the new one. And it goes into this like little slot right here. I believe on his website he recommends like adding a little bit of super glue, but mine fits pretty snug already, so I'm just gonna put it in there. Just like that. And then the next part, go ahead and grab the top piece, and we're gonna put our buttons in. So it goes lock in the top spot, and there's little notches in there. You can see that it slides into, and each one of these has a unique shape, so they really only can go into one spot. But lock, unlock, and then panic. Oops. Just like that. And then go ahead and take the bottom piece with the key, and you'll see there's a cross on each side, or a plus, and so we're just going to match those two up. Should fit in there, no problem, it won't move. Key's pointing outward, and then take the top, and you got to kind of hold them both, flip them on over. There you go. As you can see, it works because I just set off my panic alarm. But yeah, once you get it to this point, go ahead and take one Allen screw and put it in the top one. Just make it snug. And then what we're gonna do is, whichever one you choose, bottle opener or standard, go ahead and slide that in. And then put in your other screws. Just like that. And then choose your cover piece of choice, TRD or blank. I'm gonna go TRD. And pop it in. Just like that. And lastly, pull it. There you go. This is super satisfying. Alright guys, finished product. Super cool. Just gotta go get this cut to fit the truck, and then it'll be fully complete. So I'm just gonna run to Ace tomorrow and do that. But this is so clean. I'm excited. No longer will have a key poking me in my pocket. So go check them out, guys. Link in the description to this one specifically. But if you haven't, just check out MESO in general. Great products. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new, subscribe. If you like the video, like it, and let me know what you want to see more down in the comments. Next week, I have coming a walk around of my truck, again, which is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. So I'll go over everything I've done to it, as well as a couple things I have planned. So stick around for that, and I'll see you guys next time.